How to activate Lowe's credit card online. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Lowe's credit card online. So let's get right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead to any of the search browsers. I am using Safari. Then move into the site lowes.com. Here you will be landing on the official page of Lowe's. So to sign into your account, tap on your profile icon and then sign into your Lowe's account. Once you have entered your access details, tap on Secure Login. You will be successfully logged into your Lowe's account. Once you're in here, head over to Menu, select Activate and then follow the on-screen prompt. Lastly, enter your card information in order to activate your Lowe's credit card. Once the activation process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Lowe's credit card is now active and ready to use. So by doing this, you have successfully activated your Lowe's credit card. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.